Good morning, everyone. Just getting my garden pretty watered down this morning before I have to start my class. This will be day 2. And then I gotta leave class a little early and take my mom to her doctor's appointment for her MRI that she's got to get. Not an MRI, but a CAT scan, maybe that's what it is, of a hernia she's dealing with. So she needed me to take her to that. So I've got it all watered. Oh, there's a chicken out. I wonder how these chickens are getting out. I thought there sounded like there was... Oh, almost sprayed myself. It sounded like there was one out, but I don't know. I don't know how she even got out. What are you out for? You need to get your butt back in there. Yeah, how'd you get out? Huh? How'd you get out? Do you even know? Hmm? Come here. I'll help you get back in, though. Dang it, all my chickens are going to get out if I do this. Man, there's a couple of them out. Where the heck are they getting out at? Come on. I wonder if I open this up. And I throw some feed in here. If I can get them to come through this door a little bit. I'll leave it open like this. That did seem to work. I got them all back in, all 3 of them. But there is a little, I don't know where they're getting out at. I'm going to have to check. They're getting out somewhere, but I don't know where. And they got food. I just checked that yesterday. They got water, because I checked that too. They've got to be getting out somewhere at the bottom somewhere. I gotta watch my time because I know I was close. I still gotta get some dishes done I didn't do yet. My husband goes, I thought you weren't gonna be on that computer when I got home last night. And I said, well, the eye doctor that I originally had seen, I found out passed. And was in a car accident in September of last year. So his office closed down. This so far is all on the ground. So I don't know where they're getting out at. There's an elderberry plant. There's another one right there. Just ran into a spider web. Nothing like getting that all over your face. Another one I got on my face. I'm not sure where they're getting out at unless it's through the gate. That's my only thing I can see. Other than that, I'm not finding anywhere where they got out at. They could get out right through there. Jack, seriously, you really gotta yell like that? And the other hen, she's still out. I forgot to put her in last night. She got out somehow too. I told my husband we might have to put chicken wire on this. I mean, they could have got out right there too. Squeezed right through it. I mean, those Americanas are small enough they could fit right through there. That being said, we got some work to do here. Try to contain chickens. Because I'm pretty sure that's where they got out at. I don't know if I can make this tighter. Maybe. I don't want to make it so tight I can't. Checks, she's a cramming me. You know, boy, it's everybody's up. Don't worry. Okay. We haven't really done anything the last 2 days. My husband cut some. He said he cut something down around here. Some trees. I guess he put them right there. Not sure where they were though. He said he cut some trees down around something. I thought he meant right there, but they're still there. So I don't know where they were. Darn ducks keep going in my flower bed. I gotta make sure to shut the water off, otherwise it leaks. It was leaking right there. Which, yep, it does look like it's leaking. Dixie. Go on, get away from my stuff. Go on. Go. You can't have anything nice if you have free range chickens or ducks, because they get into everything. We can walk over here and see these real quick that I planted. I still have a pretty large open space in here. They dug up some of my daylilies. I planted those two right there. Planted something else up here, but it looks like yeah, it was right here. That's where I planted. Roots. And then I got that planted, this, the hydrangeum, that, these two, which is the same as that, but this is a darker red. And it had white on it, so it's got red, white, and blue. And then that, which is an annual. So that space will have to be replaced, because I don't think it'll come back. I don't know what else to put in here, because this is mainly a shade. It does get some sun though, about midday, right in here. I trimmed that tree down so I could actually not have to dunk coming in here. But as you can see, I have quite a bit of space left, so. And then we got to get these rocks put up around it. I figured if I could get the rocks around it, then it would maybe detour the ducks from going in, because my husband wants a rock, big rock, big rock, big rock at the corners, and a big rock in the middle, and then we'll put these smaller rocks in between these larger rocks. Go on, get out of here. You guys got almost 11 acres here to be on, and I want you to stay out of my flower beds and stay out of my garden. You guys can't even do that. Go on. Dixie. Well, we'll see you guys later this evening when we're back doing some work. That's my instructor. She's dancing to Luke Bryan singing. This class is hilarious. There's Dixie's little kitten that she's got. Right there he is. He's trying to hide. He's a little booger, I'm telling you. Look at him. See, there's your little kitten, huh, Dixie? Yeah, you're still good, Mama, aren't you? See, there he is. He looks just like her. He's even fuzzy. Look at him. Look at him. He's being playful. There he is. Yeah, that's your baby, huh? That's your baby kitten. He's gonna run back in there. Are you gonna run away? Huh? Are you gonna run away? You gonna pounce on Mama? They don't like the sound of the bread bags. My husband's up there eating. I gotta go check the grill. You guys can come with me. Look at him. There he is. So we have a mini excavator that's coming tomorrow that we rented, Kubota. We were hoping for the KO, or KX, sorry, KXT, I think is what they are. 57, but they already had it booked for rental for Monday, so they didn't think that they could get it back over the weekend and back to Mattawan before the other renter needed it for rental. With that being said, let's see where's, oh yeah, We're ready to put, well, actually I can just leave this open and I'll go grab them. Hamburgers on. Oh yeah, I stuck them in the microwave so no flies or anything would get on them, because you know when you live on a farm, flies are pretty common. That is for sure. Okay. My little flour meal thingy that's running. Not sure what the stick is at. It's a small one. Not as thick, anyways. Close it. It's definitely warm. We need a new grill because the bottom of this grill is not good. It fell out. So we are going to be doing quite a bit of work this weekend to get the up 4 acres above at the first part of our property. Get that all, the stumps pulled out, get everything removed that we want removed, get trees down that has to be pushed as long as a little mini excavator can do it, and get our fencing bought to start getting our fencing put up for the goats and the donkeys. And then my husband is gonna start putting Jack in and Jill with Captain, because he thinks he's just gonna keep Captain with them, and Captain will be up in that front part. So we're gonna need another round bale feeder for them, and just go from there. So my plan is to move these out in the garden. I want to get those and move those out in the garden. We need to get the duck pen somewhere figured out where they're gonna go. I don't know, but somewhere they're gonna go, and so I can finally take this fence down. But I told my husband, I said, you still gotta watch Brutus so he doesn't come over and pee on my plants, because I had hostas sitting here and they didn't come back very well on both sides of there, which was shown in another video from him peeing on them all winter. I was very mad. But my one lilac right there, I wasn't sure if it was going to do anything, and sure enough, it has a new sprout off of it right there. It came up, this little thing right there, and then this long thingy has little leaves on it. So I'm pretty happy that this actually did something. I was hoping it would. I think this is my white one with purple around it, and then this is pink with purple around it. And then these are my hens and chicks that I still need to plant, but that's them right there. And then in this, oh, I see I got some of that stuff I don't want in there. But this has really came up. My zinnias are right there, and I've got a lot of other stuff that came up. Not sure what it all is yet, but we're gonna see. But everything seems to be doing pretty good. I'm very happy. My little one iris that I got, my mom's gonna give me some more this fall, so I'll have more, and I'll probably put them out in my other flower bed. Oh, my back. Nice, huh? So that's the deal that's going on today, and not really gonna do much again. This is the third day where we haven't really done anything, because we're just waiting for the weekend. Just kind of diddle-daddling around. But yep, that's what we're doing here today. I'm cooking dinner. My husband's out feeding, and I got to milk. Start a day all over again. Happy Thursday, everybody. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. Until next time, God bless.